everybody. Welcome to English Essentials with Miss Uzoma in the series Grammar Fix. So, what are we fixing today? We are fixing two words that are usually confusing for people, especially in writing. What are those two words? The first word is this, and the second word is this. Now, before I go on, you can pause the video and try pronouncing them. How do you pronounce this word? And how do you pronounce this word? So I'm waiting for you. Pause the video and try it. Okay, welcome back. So let's see whether you got them right in terms of pronunciation. So this one here is lose, and this one here is loose. Lose, loose. So you're wondering what's the difference? Okay, so let's go now. This one, lose, the first thing to note is that it's a verb. This one here, loose, is an adjective. Another thing, another difference between the two words is that this one, lose, has one O in it. And this one, loose, has two O's in it. Another thing to note about these two words, another difference, is that this word, lose, the S in lose makes the Z sound, whereas the S in loose just makes the S sound. Those are the two differences. Now, one last thing about these two words. This one here, lose, which is a verb, it means not to have something anymore. You don't have something anymore because you were careless about it, or you just can't find it anymore. That's the word, that's the meaning of this one, lose. This is also used to mean mentally ill or insane. So when someone is losing their mind, it means they are going mentally ill or they are going insane. But then it's also used in the expression to lose one's mind, which can mean thinking irrationally. So when you ask somebody, are you losing your mind? It means, are you even thinking properly? That means that person is thinking irrationally. So when one lost their mind, or when one is losing their mind, or if you ask somebody, what are you doing? Have you lost your mind? It means that person is not thinking rationally. So lose means not to have something anymore. It can also means to be insane or to go mentally ill, and it can also be used to indicate that someone is not thinking rationally. That's the word lose, right? Now back to this one, loose. Loose is not tight. Loose means something is not tight, something is not fitted. That's the meaning of loose. So your pair of shoes can be loose. Your dress, the waistline especially, can be loose. That's it. So you can also tie a rope and then it's not tight enough, and then you say it is loose. Now this word loose can also be used as a verb. Remember we said it's an adjective, but when you use it as a verb, this word loose becomes loosen. So we loosen our hair. Yes. So it's not lose your hair. You don't lose your hair because me losing your hair means you can't find it anymore. So when you make this kind of hair, for example, and you don't want it anymore, you loosen it. You don't lose it, you loosen it. Okay? So those are the two words I wanted to fix today. I hope that made a difference. I'll see you in another series. Bye for now. Take care.